Where's Edie? Where's Edie? I see you up here. Where's Edie? Yep, you have a hat. We just had dinner and a bath. And Edie is now hanging out. Oh yeah, there's the comb. The comb. Can you comb your hair? Comb Edie's hair. Yeah. She takes things like dog brushes and, of people in the street and like the kind of brush and pan that you would use to clean up your house and tries to put them on her head. It's super cute. Yes. And let's see. Jason will be home by the time she wakes up in the morning, which is lovely. Are you going to keep combing your hair? Yeah, work on that. Work on that hair. Oh, Edie. You are a fluffy duckling. You don't comb chairs, you comb hairs. Take the C off. Yeah. Your head. Your hair. Are you going to comb Mama's hair?